This video is for anyone who has been contemplating starting your own cooking channel. You're trying to figure out how to do the setup, but you need to know what type of equipment. This video is for you. Guys, I started this journey, this voyage last year. Heck, one thing I can say is don't be afraid to be in front of the camera, because it's just literally you and your phone or you and your camera. There's no one there. You're talking to fictitious people at this point, so it's just you. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. It is what it is. But this video is more so about the equipment that you might need when you start your journey. All right, so one thing that I use these tripods. Now, when I purchased the tripods, I purchased 2 of them, and they were only $20 on Amazon, and they are really long. You see that? How long they are? And I have 2 of these, and initially I started out with these, and I would place one on the countertop over top of my stove, and I would place one on the countertop that was where I was prepping my food, and then I have this tripod that's here in front of me that I would use for my 360 camera that's pictured here. I also got everything that I purchased from Amazon, with the exception of one mic and light that I purchased from Temu, like $12.99, that connects to your phone. Is external, but we're talking about recording in the home. All right, another thing is these little body mics. Now, this particular one, of course, came from Amazon. It can clip onto your clothes. It's good if you're doing a Q&A, interview. This portion goes into your phone for your direct audio. So from here to here. Now, I was having a lot of trouble connecting this to my old phone because it did not work with my old phone. It would only work with 5G or higher. So read the fine print before you purchase this. This is my friend. This is my OD Cam, also from Amazon. Now, I love it because it can capture everything head on. It can capture everything. When you move your head, it moves. It records everything that I'm doing. And this is adjustable. And what I would do is put this. Now, this has all been trial and error, but this is what's worked for me. You got to get the position of this just right. You can utilize the app to look at it real time, and it will tell you, show you what orientation your video footage is in. But I didn't know that when I first got it, so I made all the mistakes for you. So I'm here to let you know. Make sure if you're doing YouTube, you have it in horizontal YouTube format, and if you're doing shorts, make sure you have it vertical format. But use this microphone, and I just clip it on right here. I found it to be like the best for me, because when you put it on your clothes and you have a lot of friction, you're gonna hear all this. You'll hear all of the friction. But when it's clipped right here, perfect. So that's how I'll be doing any future cooking videos that I do. I'll be using the same head setup, okay? And it's adjustable. And it's also removable. It comes with a tool. I don't know where the tool is right now. Able to utilize it on my tripod with this clip. So if I remove the OD Cam from the headset, I'm able to place it in here. And then I will clip this portion. I clip this portion onto my tripod like so. Okay. And I'm able to stand this up anywhere. Most times I'm on a cruise ship or anything that I'm doing. I can capture it with the OD Cam and have more of a steady footage than if I were to put it on my head. Because if you put it on your head and you do a lot of movement, that's exactly how your video is gonna go. Now, versus me putting it on this tripod and let it sit in here and just have it doing its thing while I still have my camera. But this one right here is going to give me some additional footage. You may catch something that my phone didn't catch, okay? Also, I have camera glasses, but I really don't use those camera glasses a lot. This time, oh yeah, I use UCut to do my edits, and I use vidIQ for those tag words. And I'll give you guys pictures of my lighting and everything that I use in order to create my cooking videos. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments. This video helps you. Until next time, toodles.
Gotta go get away, hop a train, hop a flight and ride. Tonight I got